Welcome back to Ask the Experts Radio Show. I am Anthony Cernelia. I am joined by Roger Wakefield of Texas Green Plumbing. He is our expert plumber for the radio show. You can reach him at 972-442-4101 or on the World Wide Web at texasgreenplumbing.com. He is joined by Dr. Richard DeVerse of MeterDog. You can reach him at 808-345-2046 or on the World Wide Web at konalabs.com. All right, Mr. Roger, you want to take this back over?
Yeah, what I wanted to talk to people about is MeterDog is a very unique product. It's going to have an effect on, I guess, people's comfort level at home. If, like you said, you were in Vegas and you got a notification saying, hey, you have a leak at home. That's nothing. There's nothing like that out there right now that does it that way. But you've also got the locators to tell you where leaks are and things like this. So MeterDog, I know that it's coming. I know that it's on a limited release right now. How can people, number one, and I'm the guy here in Texas, so you'll want to contact me for MeterDog, but your Level Smart, say somebody wanted to buy a Level Smart today. They're like, look, I think I've got a leak on my pool. I keep having to fill it up every other day. If they wanted to buy Level Smart or MeterDog, what would you tell somebody if they just walked in and says, hey, I want to buy one of each? What do I do?
It's actually really easy, Roger. You just go to www.konalabs.com. We sell direct. We want to make sure our customers have the right experience, and we just didn't find that the distributors in the pool industry were delivering the right service to our customers. It's about solving a problem, Roger, and it's not just about selling stuff. And they were just selling stuff, and so that's why we took it on direct. Just go to konalabs.com, and you can purchase the Level Smart and our other products. And again, on the limited release, if you do want a MeterDog, and no matter where you're at, we'll hook you up with the right person to deliver the MeterDog to you, because we want you to have the best experience, so we want the right people to deliver the product to you so you get the most out of it.
And right now we're kind of limited on the areas. We're talking about San Diego and basically Dallas right now.
That's correct. I mean, the demand, like I said, Roger. I mean, I let the cat out of the bag once before, and the demand just ran away with me. And I want to make sure we do this right. So I've learned to find again great people who understand the problems and understand how to deliver the information to the end user, such as Texas Green Plumbing. And that's why I'm going to work through great companies like yourself to deliver MeterDog properly to the masses. So
we say limited release. How many are available in the next month or two?
Oh, we got, we can take care of the demand as long as it's delivered properly. Again, I just don't want to pollute the environment with it and just let it fail because it's not being communicated to the end user properly. We can handle the demand. I just want to be measured in how we're doing that. And so that's why I'm kind of cautious here about this, because I built it for consumers, but believe it or not, the water utilities are calling me every day, because the EPA is on them about becoming efficient and helping their end users. For the first time in the history of our nation, our water utilities are now having to help their end users, but they don't know how to do it, so they're just learning.
I'm actually trying to set up a meeting for Monday or Tuesday at the North Texas Municipal Water District. One of the guys in my Sunday school class is out there. And the reason that he asked me about talking to them, one of the ladies who works at the North Texas Municipal Water District lives in Saxe, got a new meter, and now she's got an ungodly water bill. And she's like, okay, wait a minute. What happened here?
Yeah.
Well, so what can you do for the municipalities? Why should they contact you or me?
That's a good question, because, believe it or not, when I patented this technology, I realized when I was developing it, I can detect water movement through a water meter before the water meter even turns. And what this means is that water meters start to fail as soon as they're installed. They're really,
just like plumbing pipes.
Oh my goodness, it's actually a pretty bad situation. I'll be honest with you. I was really surprised at how bad water meters are right off the pallet, okay? And so MeterDog is a way to detect those meter failures in situ, meaning in the ground, installed. So a meter dog can find that small leak before it develops into a big leak. And I wanted to bring this up, Roger. We were talking about drips. Mm-hmm. I think people don't really get how significant even a drip is, because that's going on 24/7 while you're sleeping. It's actually a big leak. When you see a drip, don't just ignore it. It's a big deal.
Dripcalculator.com. How fast does it drip? I've little got cups that you can hold it under it for a minute and see how full it gets, and then you spin it around. They'll say, okay, over the course of the year, this is how many gallons, and it's
a
thousands.
Big number.
Yes, thousands.
And it's your dollars, by the way.
Okay, so a municipality, say City of Dallas Water Department's listening to this, and they're like, how could we use this?
This is a good question, because I went to Phoenix, Arizona, for example, and they're like, oh, we have this digital information. I'm like, oh, really? And they said, yeah, we have this AMI. It's automatic meter information. Well, they just got through rolling out the AMR, which is a month-to-month thing. Now they're like, oh, we get this information. But you know what? It's taken them 7 years to roll out that water meter, and it's $100 million. Jeez. Meter dog.
Yeah, I want 2 of them.
Yeah. Meter dog, you can just put on any meter that's in situ or that's in the ground right now, right? And it'll start giving you that information. So for municipalities that want the information now, that can't get the meters installed fast enough because they don't have enough people to put them in, because, it takes a lot of work to put in a water meter.
Absolutely.
It's very difficult, actually, to swap out a water meter. And don't underestimate that. You know that.
I get it, yeah.
Yeah, you pull them out, and boy, sometimes you can't get them back in. It's a bear, let me tell you. But this way, you don't have that problem. You can actually convert an old meter into an automatic, a brand new meter, just by applying Meter Dog. And so if a municipality has a leak issue in a community, they can roll 100 of these out in a day and start getting that minute-to-minute information and solve a problem in a week rather than waiting 3 years for the AMI meters to get installed.
Hey, Roger, we got about 4 minutes. I don't know if you want to get anything in the meantime.
Just one thing real quick is, you said that it's a limited rollout, but you can handle this. There's only 8.3 million people in Dallas. So that's quite a few, and I say Dallas, that's the DFW area. So that's a lot of meter dogs.
Yes, sir.
So, but if you go looking at, we could save 40 to 50% of the water that our municipalities are using, considering they buy water by the acre foot. That's huge.
Yeah.
If people want to find out more about Kona Labs and Meter Dog, where all can they go? What all can they learn?
Well, again, I do recommend people in the Dallas-Fort Worth area calling you first. That really is your best source of information. Okay. You will give them depending on the situation, you'll give them the right information they need. But KonaLabs.com is a great place, or you can call me directly at 808-345-2046, wherever you're at, and I can lead you to the right expert that'll help you further if I can't help you.
And like I tell people, I've dealt with your son, Ryan. Ryan is very smart on this product. And we've been talking for 2 years now about how to get the product out, how to get it out beneficially for the consumers, how to make it a great product that plumbers understand and understand very easily. If you're a plumber, you own a plumbing company in this town, and I say this town, if you hear this, contact me and I can teach you or tell you about it, and also let you know what it takes to become a distributor and set things up to where we can get. Here's my deal: the more homes we get this in, the more people it helps.
That's right,
and it really does.
It helps everybody,
and it helps everybody, not just saving water, but saving water for our future generations, but also saving us money now. Those of y'all that want to find out more about me, The Expert Plumber, you can go to YouTube, The Expert Plumber. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. That way you're aware of anything that we've got coming out. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on LinkedIn. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest.
Everywhere.
I think I'm just about everywhere. I think I'm just about everywhere. There's a new one coming out tomorrow, and I'm already trying to sign up on it.
That's awesome. Any last words before I give y'all's information out in the show?
No, sir. Anthony, thank you again for today. You do a great job. I love this.
Hey, Roger, I do appreciate it. All right, guys, once again, this is Roger Wakefield, our expert plumber. He is with Texas Green Plumbing. If you'd like to get a hold of him, it's 972-442-4101 or on the World Wide Web at texasgreenplumbing.com. He was joined by Dr. Richard DeVerse from Meter Dog, and he's on the World Wide Web at KonaLabs.com or 808-345-2046. This was Ask the Experts Radio Show. I am Anthony Cernelia on Talk Radio 1190. We'll see you next Saturday.
Hook 'em horns today.
Yeah.